We just did 3, we just did 4. 5 is the slide. Alright, let's see how this goes. So it's going to come down across the top. Yep. Just make sure I know which side is the front, which side is the back. Alright. The slide does have like little cutouts for both of the sights, so you don't have to cut around the sights and cut around the opening for the chamber. So close that out. Well, you know what? We'll just set it up from the front sight. We'll cut that off in the back. So, take this little piece off of the back. Good. Alright, so got the slide front piece in there. Just hang it up here. Make sure everything is smooth. Close to the top. Alright, got it on there. Pretty good. Alright, so we got that top part on there pretty good. I'll hit it with the heat. As you see, didn't have to hit. It already has the cutout for the front and rear sights, so we didn't have to hit those. Now we're just gonna hit it with the heat to get my front and rear serrations to come through. Start with the front, left side. Put a little heat. And then we'll just start getting in there. And there we go. And if you hit it, once you start hitting it, those serrations will come right through. And press it through. Get the serrations in there. Oh yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Alright, so then we get a little heat on the rear. Get the serrations for this rear side going. Yeah, that heat really does help stretch it out. So you can hit it with the sponge and kind of get your serrations and everything in there. So, yeah. If you got a sponge or a piece of foam, yeah, that is recommended. It is a great little item. It doesn't come with the bundle pack, so if you got it, it's great. It's better than trying to push it in with your fingers and everything. So, foam kind of gets in there and holds everything down. So, yep. So, you can see this one. I don't know if you can see, but the serrations are coming in pretty good. We'll hit up this side. not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to be horrible at it. Of course, it is pretty easy when all the pieces are already pre-cut. So when I do the AR-15 one, then that one may be a little trouble. We will see. I feel like an expert. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's hit on the end here. Then we'll go over everything again. Make sure it's seeing pretty good. Yeah, this is I like this. It's fun. When you have to do the cutting, I will get the knife, get a sharp. Get something that's going to cut. So we'll see when we do the AR-15 how sharp that knife needs to be. Let's do this. Here. Everything else looks great. Let's hit the whole thing with a little heat over again. Alright, so we've done both frames, the rear grip. We got the slide, so we're ready to move on. Alright, so here at Fitty & Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.